Welcome to FM channel. In this video, we are going to learn the formation of a multiple. Think for a while, why we are saying 8 into 5 is 40. Some of you know this, but many of us didn't. To know the answer for this, watch till the end of the session. What are the multiples of a number? Say the number 8. 8 into 1 is 8, where 8 is one of the multiple of 8. 8 into 2 is 16, 16 is other multiple of 8. By continuing this, we get the multiples of 8 as 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and so on. Multiple is the product of a number with the integer. If we multiply an integer with 8, we get the multiples of 8. Multiplication is nothing but the continuous addition. That is, if we add 8 once, we get the resultant as 8, 8 into 1 is 8. Adding 8 twice, gives 16, 8 into 2 is 16. In the same way, adding 8 5 times gives 40, that can be written as 8 into 5 is 40. Thanks for watching. Support us by sharing this video.